With summer in full swing, many of us are jetting off or hitting the road for some epic vacations. But here's the thing. We're not going to let our health and fitness goals take a back seat. Oh no, I'm here to spill the beans on how you can stay fit and healthy while trotting the globe. No need to worry, no need to fear. I've got your ultimate guide right here. Let's make sure your travels don't sabotage all your hard work. I mean, who wants to come back from a fantastic vacation only to face the dread of starting from square one on your fitness goals? I don't. And if you're winning beyond that, buckle up for some awesome tips to keep you on track, even while you're off exploring the world and having a blast. But first, just a quick heads up. The info I'm sharing here is for your education and enjoyment, and not meant to be a substitute for professional medical advice. And now, on with the show. Before we dive into my tips, I want to give you a progress update. As you know, I've been on my own fitness journey, working my way towards returning to the competition stage after a 7-year layoff. So here's the lowdown. In my last update, I shared that on October 11th, 2022, I weighed 132 pounds. Not bad for starting at over 148 pounds about 3 months earlier. Then, on October 31st, the scale showed 130.4 pounds. Yep, the progress continued. But then came the big test. Something that could have thrown me off my game completely. 2 straight weeks of travel. First, I set off on a business trip to the vibrant city of Miami for a week. It happened to be Halloween. Work hard, play hard, right? Straight from Miami, I took off to the enchanting island paradise of Bali for a dreamy 1-week vacation. Oh, the sights, the sounds, and the scrumptious cuisine. But guess what? Amidst all the fun, I was firmly on track with my fitness goals. On November 23rd, after my whirlwind travels, I stepped on the scale and was thrilled to see it showing 129.8 pounds. That means I didn't let all that traveling cause me to suffer a disappointing setback. You see, I knew that being away from home didn't have to throw a wrench in my fitness plan. Instead, my global adventures became an opportunity to showcase how I can rock my health goals no matter where in the world life takes me. And remember, I share my weigh-ins with you to make it easier for you to track my progress. But don't get too obsessed with the numbers. I always put a bigger value on how I look, and most importantly, how I feel. Feeling fantastic and energized is the true indicator of success for me. So now, I'm beyond excited to share the tips that made this success possible. Whether you're jet-setting to exotic destinations or simply taking a short road trip, grab your travel hats, pack those sneakers, and let's uncover the secrets to staying on top of your fitness game during your travels. Trust me, these tips are your passport to a healthy and energizing journey. Ready? Let's go. Tip number 1, plan ahead. The secret to staying fit while traveling is all about planning ahead. Check out the fitness facilities available at your destination, whether it's a hotel gym, nearby parks, or local fitness centers. Get the lowdown on your options so you can be ready to rock and roll. Tip number 2, pack portable exercise equipment. Listen up. If you want to make your workouts a breeze, consider packing some portable exercise gear. Resistance bands, a jump rope, or even a yoga mat could be your new BFF, best fitness friend. These nifty little items are lightweight, versatile, and take up minimal space in your suitcase. You'll be able to stay active wherever your travels take you. Tip number 3, body weight exercises. When the gym gods aren't smiling down upon you and you find yourself without access to machines or equipment, never fear. Body weight exercises are your ride or die buddies. No special equipment needed. You can bust out these moves in the cozy confines of your hotel room or even under the open sky. Let me give you a quick rundown of a bodyweight workout routine. Now, don't forget to warm up before this workout. First, you'll start with 30 seconds of push-ups. Standard push-ups or modified on your knees, your choice. Then rest for 15 seconds. Next, do 30 seconds of lateral hops. And rest for 15 seconds. Now do 30 seconds of mountain climbers. And again, rest for 15 seconds. Finally, do 30 seconds of air squats. And then rest for 15 seconds. Now, repeat the whole cycle. You'll do these 4 exercises for a total of 5 cycles. And that's it. Your body weight workout is complete. Tip number 4, active sightseeing. Now here's a wild idea. Why not turn your sightseeing adventures into a fun workout? Instead of relying on taxis or public transport everywhere you go, spice things up by walking or cycling your way through the city. Not only will you burn off those vacation treats, but you'll also get a close-up look at the local culture and landmarks. Talk about a win-win situation. Tip number 5, stay hydrated and eat well. Staying in shape isn't just about sweating it out. It's also about nourishing that fabulous body of yours. Don't forget to drink that water and keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. And when it's time to eat, aim for a balanced plate of goodness. Fruits, veggies, lean proteins, wholesome food will keep your energy levels sky high for your adventures. Well, there you have it. My ultimate tips and exercises for staying fit while trotting around the globe. Remember, keeping up with your fitness routine while traveling is totally doable with a bit of planning and a sprinkle of imagination. I hope these suggestions have fired up your inspiration to put your health first and make the most out of your epic adventures. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to show me some love with a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great fitness tips. I'm Dr. Venus on call, wishing you safe travels. Stay fit, be happy.